Hello, my name is Matthew Bastable. I'm the Sales Director at BPH Attachments. I'd like to introduce the PROQUICK coupler system. PRODEM PROQUICK coupler system is the only twin locking system on the market, and one big advantage that the PROQUICK offers is the fact that it will pick up on standard pins. PROQUICK will pick up your standard buckets, couple all your hoses automatically, saving the operator time, saving the owner of the company money, and improving efficiencies and productivity. So at the front here we have an automatic hydraulically operated safety catch over the front pin. At the rear we have a safety claw that comes down underneath the back pin, locking the pin into position. Changing the bucket, changing between attachments, takes no longer than what you would expect on a standard coupler. At the rear of the hitch we can have a lifting eye fitted at the PROQUICK factory in Germany. This part of the coupler will direct the coupler into the attachment, ensuring that the coupler and the attachment bracket meet in exactly the right place every time. There's no long hoses going from the attachment to the dipper arm on the excavator, and most importantly, all the hoses at the rear of the attachment are all protected